In this video, I'm going to explain what spot trading is and how to do spot trading on Bybit. And if you're new to this channel, please do it to like this video, do it to subscribe. And if you have any question, please do it to let me know in the comment section. So guys, spot trade is a type of trading that involves you buying and selling cryptocurrency. Normally, trading means buying and selling, right? So in spot trading, you buy crypto coin when the price is low and sell it off when the price is high. So you only make profit in spot trading when there's appreciation in price. For example, as you can see right there, this is a ton USDT get. Right now, the price of one ton coin is $7. As at early this year, or let me say January, February, the price of ton coin was $6. If, for example, you bought 10, 10 ton coin in January for $6, that would be like $60. That means you bought 10 ton coin for $60. Right now that the price is $7, that means the ton coin will now be worth $17. And if you sell it off now, you're going to make $10 profit. That is what spot trading is. Rather than when people bought Solana at a lower price, like 10, like you bought Solana at $10, when the price is now $20, now sell it off. So there is appreciation of price, so you have made money. So spot trading is most times it's mostly used for buying those crypto coin that you know that you are going to hold for a long time. You know that okay, in the next 1 or 2 months, or in the next 5 months, 6 months, that the price is going to go up, and you want to buy the coin now. A popular example is Notcoin. I believe when Notcoin was launched or when it was listed, uh, it actually got deep to 0.004, and most people bought it at that price. And then when Notcoin now pumped to 0.4, 0.01, people sold it up and they made profit. To get that is what spot trading can do for you. So right now, I'm going to show you guys how you can trade spot trading. I believe you understand what spot trading is. You only make profit in spot trading when there is appreciation in price, when the particular price goes up, you understand. So to get to spot trading, into this very first of all, log into your Bybit app. As a Bybit app, and ensure the money you want to use to do the spot trading is on unified trading. Just first of all, click on asset. Once click on asset, click on any money deposit on Bybit. If it's going to be shown on your funding wallet, any money you send to Bybit, either through P2P or you send from other wallet, you need to be on your funding. For you to use it to trade, you need to transfer it to your unified trading. To do this, click on transfer. Click on transfer, then you click on this place from where you transfer it from. You are transferring from funding to unified trading. On this place, pick the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Most times, mostly USDT or anyone. You can convert it and from there you transfer. If you want to transfer from unified trading to funding to, just tap on this middle button and you cannot transfer from unified trading back to your from unified trading back to funding. Get I can transfer right now from unified trading to funding. I can transfer from my funding to unified trading. I believe you understand that. So once the money is not unified trading, you need to do is to click on this pillar that says spot right here. Once you click on spot, it's going to take you to the spot trading uh, on this spot trading. I'm going to explain all this is I see on your screen. You get so just watch me closely. This place right here you are seeing is showing red and green. Then this place called the order book. Then on this place we have the chart. This place is chart, the chart where you do your analysis. On this place is called a trade where you do your trade. Then on this place is turn USDT, is where you select the crypto pair that uh you want to trade. If, for example, you want to trade Notcoin and USDT, you want to buy Notcoin or any coin you want to buy, just tap it on this place. Like, I want to buy Notcoin, just tap not on this place. Going to search up, and you see you are seeing it not USDT on under, you are seeing spot on it. So you need to listen to that. This spot trading. Get, so you just have to click on it. Once you do so, it's going to load up. Get on this place, you have the buy and the sell. Get the sell and the buy. The buy is for buying. You want to buy the crypto coin. While the sell is when you want to sell the crypto coin. Sorry. Then on this place right here, so you see available balance, the amount of USDT you have in your account. If you want to sell, the money will be showing with the amount of not coin. Like, if you want to sell, means you have not coin that you want to sell. You want to sell it and get USDT, the amount of not coin you have will be on this space. And if you want to buy, the amount of USDT you have on this space. On this place what we call the order, there are different orders you get. Have the limit order, the market order, take profit, stop loss, and all of this. The most important one we use is limit and market, and this is two that I'm going to explain. I'm going to explain them later on in this video, but let me just go on. Then on this space where you see the price that you want to buy the coin. On this space, you can put the quantity that you want to buy, then take profit, then all of this stuff. So now let me start explaining. Okay, the most important thing, this order, I said there's the limit and the market order. What's the difference? The limit, let me explain the market. The market order is that you want to buy, like this now, I'm using Notcoin USDT. You want to buy Notcoin at the current market price. On this my order book, this place showing where it means people that are currently selling and the prices they want to sell. That is place showing them people that are currently buying. As you can see, this person right, he wants to sell Notcoin at the rate of 0.01160, why do you want to buy at the rate of 0.16, where this one wants to sell to. So if the price here and the price here meet or are equal, the trade will execute. Currently, this is the current market price 0.01160. If you want to buy Notcoin at the current market price, current market price, then you have to put this order at market, then the amount of Notcoin you want to buy in USDT, how much Notcoin. Let's say order value, the amount. Let's say I want to buy $5 worth of Notcoin. You can see I just type it on this place. Sorry, you can use this slider to buy it, but it's more preferable you just type the amount of Notcoin you want to buy. Let's say I want to buy $5 Notcoin on this place. Then you just type it on this place. If you click on buy not right now, it's going to buy Notcoin for me at this current market price. You understand? Then if you go click on this place, click on the limit. On the limit price is that you want to put specific price that you want to use to buy the Notcoin. You don't want to buy at the current market price. On these people, this way you are seeing that they are put 0.116. So this people are using limit. You get limit right now. On this page, I'll just type the price I want to buy. Let's say I want to buy Notcoin at, I feel that the price is going to, I want to buy, and I feel that the price is going to dip. Is going down. The price will go down. I want to buy at a much lower price because, as you can see, right here, people wants the current market price is 0.0116054. Why this guy wants to buy at rate of 0.0160668. Maybe I want to buy at that same rate, and I just type the amount I want to buy right here. Maybe I want to buy at 0.01500. Then on this place, type the amount of Notcoin, quantity of Notcoin I need. Let's say I need like 50 Notcoin. This lesson is USDT. Let me just type the amount in USDT of Notcoin I want to buy on this place. Let's want to buy $5 worth of USDT at this price. You get other value allows you to put the price, the specific price you want to buy. You get might be sometimes higher or lower. You get. So this I explain, I feel that the price is going to dip to 0.0150. You get, I can just type the price I want to buy. Then on this place, type the amount I want to buy. This is the $5 worth of USDT, or 5 USDT worth. If I buy Notcoin, well, like 5 USDT worth of Notcoin is still 3 Notcoin. If I click on the buy now, right? Click on the buy Notcoin right now, and this is just a summary of it. If I click on buy now, it's going to be on position. It's going to be on order submitted. You get, you can see that it's not going to execute immediately. Do you know why? Because it's not going to buy immediately because the price is at this. So it's going to wait for the price to go down to this particular price that I put. You understand? Before it's going to buy. I believe you understand the buy and the market. Okay, for the set to get for the take profit stop loss, we don't normally use take profit and stop loss for spot trading. You get, we only use this in what's it called, in futures or derivative trading. So okay, if you go to click on the sell right here, if you bought not you want to sell it, or you bought anything you want to sell it, you can use this space to sell it. The market and the limit are the same. Market, you want to sell at the current market price. Limit, for the limit order, you feel that okay, the price is going to go up, you want to sell at 0.017 at 0.02. In the same thing, put the price, and you feel that you want to sell at this place. You get 0.0. If you want to sell 0.07, that's going to pump. You just put the price here, and this place type the amount of the value or the amount of Notcoin you want to sell, right? Then you can click on send not to sell. So guys, this is simple way of how you can buy or sell not going to the spot trade. But the other things, okay, let me execute one trade right here. Let's say I want to buy Notcoin. If you increase the price, right? If you increase the price right now, like I want to buy at 0.0700, which is higher than the current market price, you're going to buy immediately. That is the truth. So if you want to buy Notcoin, you should ensure that you should buy at a lower price. You get buy at a lower price and sell at a higher price. That is the idea of spot trading. Understand? So let me just say I want to buy at 0.01500. I want to buy $5 worth of Notcoin. Then I put in Binance, right? If I do that, I put in Binance. So it's going to be on this place. On this place where you see all your orders you get. You can see all my orders right here on this place. I to cancel. If you want to cancel, click on cancel, you get. And on this place, see your assets, you get the number of USDT, number of um like the assets you have on your spot, you understand? And these are the tools and all those stuff. But right here, if you want to cancel any order, just come down here and click on cancel. Then on this place where you can check your transaction history get for all your order. Okay, right now I'm canceling this trade, so I'll just hit on the cancel. So guys, this is a simple steps on how you can do spot trading, or you can trade spot trading on Bybit. Remember, spot trading simply involves you buy and sell a cryptocurrency pairs, and you can only buy you make profit when you buy at low and sell it off at the higher price. When you buy, you hold the coin and sell it off at a higher price. Okay guys, if this video was helpful, do it to like, do it to subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section. If you don't know what to comment, just comment. Thank you, Mr. Fed. You can comment spot trading. This will be it. Peace out.